Order of Abdullah dough kneader AE900A of 3.5 kg capacity. This is the shipping label. 19th April 2025. We are Orion Engineering Company in Karachi. The machine is okay from all the sides. We will show you in this video. See the bottom, it is absolutely okay, there are no damages. Now we will start the machine. The machine has started. It comes with a metal blade, a plastic blade and a measuring flask with a warranty booklet. This is the genuine carton, which comes with a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top, and then we pack the machine in brown sheet and bubble wrap. The machine is about to stop. When the timer comes to the off position, it will automatically stop. There you can see the machine has automatically stopped, and now we will pack it in its genuine carton and then apply packaging material as per Daraz packaging guidelines. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes, and it's a lifesaver nowadays. दबा देना उसको स्टील बाउल के नीचे. The blades are kept in the thermopore at the top. Paper हटाओ. ठीक है. Both blades are inside. यार तेरे को काम सुनो है पेपर जहाँ से कट हो वहाँ पे नहीं हो फिर तो उधर. The machine is packed in its genuine carton. We make these packing videos with complete machine checking, so that we have evidence that we have packed a brand new working machine without any damages, and we have carefully packed it as per Daraz packaging guidelines with fragile stickers. These are the fragile stickers. This is the shipping label again. Please do give review on Daraz with pictures when you receive the item and are satisfied with it. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, comment on it if you have any questions. We will surely respond. We have other models of Abdullah dough kneaders also in stock, like this one, AE390, which is the high top model of 3.5 kg, and another model is AE221, which is 5 kg capacity. So there are 3 models of Abdullah door kneaders which we have in stock. Machine is almost packed. Bubble wrap is being applied on it. Please do read the instruction manual inside before starting it, so that you know how to mix the water with the dry flour, etc. You can easily take out the steel bowl from the machine and hand wash it with water and then place it back inside. चल यार अभी टेपिंग लेवल लगा, बाकी टेपिंग बाद में लगाना। एक्स्ट्रा टेपिंग है ना बाद में लगा लिया करो, टाइम होता है ना बाद में, पहले ये लगाओ फटाफट। ऊपर से लगाओ पहले टेप, ऊपर लगा। अरे आगे जाने दो, आगे आगे जाने दो, दिखाओ इधर. The machine is now packed completely, you can see. Thank you ji. We are Orion Engineering Company in Karachi.